Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on the crypto.com exchange. First, you will need to create and fully verify your account, which typically involves identity checks and can take a few minutes. Once verified, fund your account. You can deposit fiat currency like US dollars or transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Remember, the exchange offers advanced trading features compared to the main crypto.com app, providing more control. Now let's place your first buy order. On the exchange interface, find the spot trading section. Here, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin against US dollar Tether. Next, decide on your order type. A limit order for a specific price, a market order for immediate execution, or a stop limit order for more advanced strategies. Understanding order types is crucial. A limit order allows you to set your desired buy price, and it only executes when the market reaches that price or better. A market order, however, executes immediately at the best available current price. Crypto.com exchange also boasts competitive trading fees, often starting as low as 0.075% for makers and 0.16% for takers, depending on your trading volume. After your purchase, always review your open orders and trade history to track your investments. For enhanced security, consider withdrawing your newly acquired assets to a personal, secure wallet rather than keeping them on the exchange. Finally, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an essential extra layer of protection, safeguarding your funds with a second verification step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.